This is another one of those videos where I buy something, and then it comes in a box or a bag, and I open it up. This is FTP. Also, I promise I'm not usually this bad at opening boxes. It's just that my family is asleep right now, so I'm trying to be quiet. And I don't think I really accomplished that goal at all. I don't even know if you guys can hear me talking too quietly. Probably. Try to talk louder now. Let's see how this goes. But, first things first. We got a nice FTP and fucked sticker. I believe it's reflective. And only got one item is the reflective hat. It's actually pretty cool. So I don't know if you can see it or if you have seen it or what, but yeah, fucked really big right here. And then all these little reflective FTPs all over it. It's got a leather strap, fuck tag, green underneath, and yeah, that's about as deep as it goes. Alright.